everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you have watched the 5 episodes which we have uploaded in our YouTube channel. If you have not watched, please do visit our YouTube channel for these videos. Apart from these videos, there are many other videos which has been uploaded as a knowledge sharing initiative, and I am requesting you to leverage those knowledge which are available in the channel. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Let's start the quiz. It is interesting to note that during mid-1960s, ELIZA was the first computer program to simulate human conversation. ELIZA was the first natural language processing computer program created by Professor Joseph Weizenbaum at the MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. This computer program demonstrated the superficiality of communication between man and machine. ELIZA was designed to simulate a conversation with a human using simple pattern matching techniques to respond to user input. Transparency is fundamental for creating artificial intelligence systems that are trustworthy, acceptable, and aligned with society values. Transparency is very important for the ethical development of artificial intelligence for several reasons. Some of the reasons are accountability, trust, safety and security, ethical standards and regulation, collaboration and innovation, and many more. Since transparency is a very important topic in artificial intelligence, let us understand more about this topic.
Transparency is very important in the ethical development of AI for several key reasons. Let us understand some of the reasons. Accountability. Transparency ensures that developers, companies, and organizations can be held accountable for the AI systems they create. When AI processes and decisions are clear, it's easier to trace back errors or biases to their sources, holding the responsible parties accountable. Trust. People are more likely to trust AI systems when they understand how they work. Transparency fosters public confidence by revealing the decision-making processes, data used, and algorithms behind AI systems. This is essential for widespread adoption and acceptance. Safety and security. Transparency helps identify and address potential safety and security risks in AI systems. Understanding how an AI operates enables developers and regulators to foresee and prevent harmful or unintended outcomes. Ethical standards and regulation. Transparent AI development aligns with ethical standards and facilitates compliance with regulations. Governments and regulatory bodies require insight into how AI systems function to ensure they meet legal and ethical guidelines, protecting users from exploitation or harm. Collaboration and innovation. Transparency encourages collaboration across industries, research institutions, and governments. By sharing insights and methodologies, developers can build on each other's work, leading to innovation while ensuring ethical considerations are maintained.
Expert System in AI is a computer program designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of a human expert in a specific field. Expert System uses a knowledge base of domain-specific information and an inference engine that applies logical rules to solve complex problems or make decisions. Users interact with the system through a user interface, and the system can explain its reasoning process. But expert systems lack the intuitive judgment of human experts, and they require regular updates.
Thank you for watching the 6 episodes of Season 1. We will be back with Season 2 covering the topics of AI and Gen AI. You will understand some very interesting topics on real intelligence versus artificial intelligence, self-driving vehicles, and Gen AI innovations.